So the first thing you would do is go to the researcher.studyfind.org website. Once there, you'd click the Start Now tab. You would log in with your login credential, which includes your email and your password. Once in, you can create a study by clicking on the tab on the far right-hand corner. You can place your study title and study description. There is also a description accessibility score that gives you a score depending on how accessible your description is. You can determine whether or not your study accepts healthy volunteers. You could adjust the biological sex, study type, medical condition, and age accordingly. For locations, you would place any location in which your study is being done. If it's remote, then you would place remote. You could also place more than one study location. For questions, you can add questions. They can either be inclusion or exclusion questions. And primarily, these questions should be yes or no questions. For resources, you can provide links to flyers and surveys, which your participants will have access to. Finally, after you finish that section, you could review your study before saving it onto the software. As you can see, everything you've placed beforehand is presented here in the review section, where you'll have the opportunity to edit the study accordingly. Once you click done, your study is available and it's on the software, but it's still inactive. You'd have to go to settings and activate your study. You can share with a link provided by the Share Study section, and you could also delete your study if you no longer want it on the software. And that is how you create a study on the StudyFind software.